Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to withdraw money from Spocket. If you're not familiar with Spocket, it's a platform that allows you to source products from suppliers and sell them on your own e-commerce store. So, let's get started. Step 1. Sign up for a Spocket account. If you don't already have a Spocket account, you'll need to create one. You can do this by going to the Spocket website and clicking on the Sign Up button. Step 2. Verify your account. Once you've created your account, you'll need to verify it. This can be done by providing a valid email address and phone number. Step 3. Add your bank account information. In order to withdraw money from Spocket, you'll need to add your bank account information. This can be done by going to the Settings page and clicking on the Payment Methods tab. Step 4. Submit a withdrawal request. Once you've added your bank account information, you can submit a withdrawal request. This can be done by going to the Withdrawals page and clicking on the Submit Withdrawal button. Step 5. Wait for your withdrawal to be processed. It may take a few days for your withdrawal to be processed. Once it has been processed, you will receive an email notification from Spocket. Additional tips. You can only withdraw money from Spocket if your account balance is at least $25. You can withdraw money from Spocket using either PayPal or bank transfer. You can withdraw money from Spocket up to once per day. Here are some additional resources that you may find helpful. And that's it. I hope this video has helped you learn how to withdraw money from Spocket. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.